Hello, everyone, and welcome to another English learning lesson. Today's lesson is going to be about present continuous verb tense. This video will be short and simple. Present continuous verb tense is about actions that are happening right now. We have the verb, and then we're going to add the ing at the end. Let's go through some examples. Verb read. Read. What is he doing right now? He is reading. He is reading a book. Walk. Walk. What is she doing right now? She is walking. She is walking in a park. Eat. Eat. What is she doing? She is eating. She is eating a hamburger. Clean. Clean. What is she doing? She is cleaning. She is cleaning the floor with a mop and a broom. Here's an example of a verbs ending in E for spelling. We have the verb take. Take ends in E. Take the E out and then add ing at the end. So take becomes taking. Let's take a look at another example of a verb ending in E. Make. Make ends in E. Take the E out, add ing, make becomes making. Make, making. Bake. Bake. What is she doing? She is baking. She is baking some cookies. Drive. Drive. What is he doing? He is driving. He is driving a car. Skate. Skate. What is she doing? She is skating. She is skating on the ice. Another spelling rule for verbs ending in IE. Lie. Lie ends in IE. Change the IE to Y. Add ing. So lie becomes lying. Lie becomes lying. Here's another example. High. High ends in IE. tie. What is he doing? He is tying his shoelaces. He is tying his shoelaces. It is important to know that these are not the only spelling rules. There are a few more when it comes to ing verb conjugations. Let's practice together. Play, play. What are they doing? They are playing. They are playing a sport. Shop, shop. What are you doing? I am shopping. I am shopping in a mall. Study, study. What are you doing? I am studying. I am studying for my science test. Apply, apply. What is she doing? She is applying makeup. She is applying makeup on her face. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested in more grammar lesson videos like this one, which is short and simple, please let me know in the comment section. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you guys. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next episode.